Now children, let's see the exercise 8.1. Question 1 is write the place value of 5 in the following decimal numbers. We will be doing this question in notebook. And in question number 2, children make some changes. We will not make the place value chart. That will be difficult for you. Simply we will cut this first part. Simply we will write the place value of the encircled digit. So children, see the register work. Properly mention the date, chapter name and chapter number. And question number 1, write the heading also. Give the place value of 5 in the following decimal numbers. See A part. This is the 5, it's coming in whole number. So the place value of this 5 will be 5 ones. Now this 5 is coming in decimal part. So the place value of this 5 is hundreds. I hope it is clear to you. Now for this 5, again this coming in decimal part. So the place value will be 5 thousands. See the spelling. In the end we are adding THS, hundreds, thousands. Now for question number 2, the A part we had cut. Now the second part again the same. Write the place value of the encircled digit. See the A part. So it will be 4 tenths. Now see the C part. Now this 4. This is tenth, 100, 1000 and 10,000. So it will be 4, 10, THS. Now children, see question number 3. How would you write the following numbers in decimal form? These number names are given to you. You have to change into decimal form. So children, question you will be doing in books only. Now see the A part. 321 and. जब तक end नहीं आता है, before end it is the whole number. So you can write 321. Now what is coming? And means point. 7 tenth. So that means 7. This is the answer. See the next one. 5062 and. So that means this is the whole number. 5062 and means decimal point. 3 tenth and 4 hundredths. Simple. Read it carefully. Your answer will come right. See the third one. 5 tenths. Now children, they are starting with tenths. That means no whole number is there. So write it 0.5 tenth, 400 and 8 thousands. I hope it is clear children. Now remaining 3 parts you will be doing yourself in books only. Now see question number 4. Write the following words in decimal. Same question as you have done third. This you will do it yourself. Now see question number 5. Write the following decimals in words. Children, see the C part. 1.054. So you can write it as 1.054. Now 3 ways I am showing you. You can do by any of one way or 1 and 5 hundredths and 4 thousands. DTHS. And another way of writing is 1 and call it as number name 54 and the place value of this last digit thousands. In any of the way you can write. Now see the D part. Here is no whole number, so direct we can write 6 hundredths 7 thousandths. Or you can write 0.067, or you can write 67 thousandths. Now this 78 point 097. Now children, last J part, 30.025. So either you can write like this 30.025, or you can write 30 and 25, place value of this 5,000. Or you can write 30 and 2 hundredths 5 thousandths, or 0.025. In any of the way you can write. It's not mandatory that you have to write in my way. You can write, you can opt any way. Children, question 6 is very easy. Already I explained you, but this is cut. Cut this question. This will not come in exam. Children, turn the page 118. See question number 7. This question also you will be doing in book. See, all parts you will be doing yourself. I am explaining you the C part. The whole parts shaded are 3. So you can write 3 plus. And among these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 are shaded out of 10. So it will be 3.6. This is your answer. Now question number last 8th. Write the expanded fractional form of. So it will be, this is A part. For 21 you can expand it as 20 plus 1 plus. Now 7 by 10th plus 8 by 100 plus 2 by 1000. This is the answer. Now see the C part. 10 already it is in expanded form. 10 we cannot expand it more. Plus now 0 is coming in between. Skip it. Right? Start with 2. 2 by 100 plus 5 by 1000. Answer. So children, once again I repeat, question number 1. In question number 2 you will cut A part. It will become write the place value of the encircled digit. You will be doing in register. Question 3 in maths book. Question 4 in register. Question 6 is cut. Question number 7 again in book and 8 in register. Hope this exercise is clear to you. Thank you.